Hi everyone, thank you for joining me here once again at Float Arts by Elsa. Tonight before we begin, I am going to show you the painting from my previous video, which has dried. So I am going to show you that now. So here is the painting. And I went ahead and I embellished it with these rings, gold rings. Tell me what you guys think about it. Do you like this? I love it. I think it's pretty. And I love how it shapes everything. It kind of like meshes the whole painting together. It works. Tell me. So you see, it did dry beautifully. It dried the same as you saw in my video. Take a look at that. You see the shine. It's gorgeous. And it hasn't been resined yet. I will go ahead and resin this shortly in a couple of days. So this is the painting that dried. Now, I am going to show you two paintings. They're two small pieces. I did paint these off camera, so I'm sorry guys, you won't be able to see that process, but I will show you the dry results of those two. Give me one moment. And these are 8 by 10 inches. And I did these as tester pieces for my daughter because she wanted a painting. So look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? It is a beautiful piece. I love it. What do you guys think? Take a look at that. It's a beautiful painting. I'm very happy with it. And then the second one is the same color scheme, but the base colors are a little different. So take a look at this one. Also a gorgeous piece. What do you think? Do you like it? I love it. She opted for the first one because this one, the base is a pearl base color. So you could see like the metallic coming through, and it creates kind of ridges, which it's a gorgeous piece, but she didn't like this one as much as the first one. So these are available for purchase and they will be on my website, fluidartsbyelsa.com. Okay, so those are the pieces that I have. Tonight and for the next few videos you see, I have chosen a color scheme. So my base will be titanium white or flow acrylic black. And then I am creating kind of the same shades of colors on the top for the flow. So tonight we're starting off with green palette, and there's shades of green with gold. So let's go ahead and get started with this first painting on shades of colors, starting with green. Meet me down at the canvas. Okay, so here we are, and our canvas is a 10 by 20 inch canvas, and it is a level 3. So we're gonna go ahead, get started, flood our canvas. I am using titanium white by Amsterdam, so titanium white by Artist Loft. I'm gonna go ahead, flood my canvas, and we'll be right back. Okay, so we're back and we're gonna go ahead. I'm sorry about the ring light here that you see, the reflection. I apologize for that. I did turn off my overhead light. That way you can have a better view of the painting. So we're gonna go ahead and get started here. My first green color is gonna be Olive Green Deep by Amsterdam. Okay, so that's the first color. And I'm thinking I want to do something like this. Okay. My next color is Pearl Green by Amsterdam. And I'm layering this on top of that already dark green so that it can show up. So this is like the transparent color. So I'm layering it right on top. Okay. Next color is Pearl Chartreuse by Arteza. Okay. I'm going to go back and layer a little more of the dark green on top of that. Only because I wanted to pop a little more. Next, I have 24 karat gold by DecoArt. And I want to be light-handed with this one. As you know, this tends to take over. Okay. And last, I have Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo. So this is my last color here. Okay. So those are my colors. Moving them out of the way. We're going to go ahead and torch a little bit. And then we'll blow it out. And as you can see, the paints are spreading. Okay. We're going to go ahead and get started right over here. Gorgeous. This is Gorgina, like my daughter would say. My daughter Sam. Love her to pieces. And I have two boys that I also love to pieces. Caesar and Chris. So my babies. So they are always my supporters here. Okay, that is gorgeous. I am happy with this. Love how it's just developing as it sits here. Gorgeous. I think I'm gonna blow in here. I'll do that off camera. I'm gonna fix my edges and I'll be right back to show you guys. Okay, everyone, so here she is, and she is, as my daughter would say, Gorgina. I love it. Look at the beautiful shades of green, how they all work together paired with the 24 karat gold. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Look at the cells. Ginormous cells. Love the depth that it has in certain spots. It has created some webbing. Look at that. Wow, gorgeous. Look at the webbing and cells it created with the 24 karat gold kind of encircling it right there. Look at that. It just works. It's beautiful. Check out that lacing, webbing in there. The microscopic cellular reaction here in the edge with the dark green. Absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Tell me what you guys think. I am super happy with this one. We're branching up to the top. Again, the depthness that it creates is beautiful. Love the shine that it has. It's getting a little distorted. I apologize as I come closer. And then look at those edges, the soft petals, the white, creating all that kind of like fried or microcellular reaction there. Look at that. Look at that corner piece right there. Absolutely beautiful. Look, take a look at right there. Look at that sheet of 24 karat gold at the bottom. It's just beautiful. Overall, look at the cells, gorgeous cells. Overall, a beautiful piece in every shade of green being showcased here. What do you guys think? I love the flow. I love the motion the canvas painting has. Beautiful. Thank you for joining me here at Float Arts by Elsa. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Give it a like. Click the notification bell. All that good stuff. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.